saving files. Let us look at saving files. Saving files. So what is saving files? Saving means that now we want to permanently store our what? Our information permanently on our computer. So what is file or save? If you don't make any changes, file or saves the file to either the default location, usually my documents, with a default file name, usually document1, or the first few words of text in the document. So what do they mean here? They are trying to mean that in case, let's say that you want to save. So my dear friends, I'm sorry, I'm having some people here outside having their things, but I think we can continue. Let us continue. I think we can continue. So now, so file or save. If you don't make any changes, file or saves the file to either the default location, that is usually my documents. So meaning that if you don't choose the folder you are going to save your file in, then that file will automatically be saved in a folder called my documents, as how we saw in the previous video. So my dear friend, let you if you haven't watched it, go and watch that video. You see how we find my documents. So in my documents folder, that is where your file will be saved automatically in case you don't choose any other location or any other folder. So let me continue and talk about if the file has already been saved. File or saves the file in the same location with the same name. For example, let's say that you had saved your work, but now you are doing saving changes. You are saving changes, and you just go and click on file. Then after file, you click on save. It means that if I click on save, I'm not saving a new work, but I'm saving changes to an existing file that is already stored in my document. So it will not ask you change the name, change the file type. So it will continue to save on the other work that you had saved. So now let us continue. File stroke save as. The difference between save and save as allows the user to change the location of the file and or the file name. So let's say that you want to save in a different version. So save as, it means that now, let's say that I had saved this information as, let's say that I had saved it as marks, but now I want to change it to tests. So it means that I will now change not to use save, but to use save as. So save as allows you to save a different name, whereas save uses the other default name. I think you've got the difference.